Replacing refrigerant lines in vehicle air conditioning systems is often time-consuming and expensive. Our LOKRING and LOKCLIP repair system puts an end to this once and for all. No matter the vehicle type or age, you can easily repair both tubes and hoses. In many cases, repairs are even possible without having to remove the faulty line. Another advantage, your customers no longer have to wait for genuine spare parts to be delivered. With LOKRING and LOKCLIP, you can offer your customers a fast and low-price solution. It's this simple. Tubes are repaired using our LOKRING connection. First, cut out the leaking section using a tube cutter. Then deburr the tube and thoroughly clean the tube ends. Mark the insertion depth of the tube. Then apply lock prep evenly to the entire tube circumference. Lock prep penetrates even the finest cavities, fills them completely, and thus makes the connection 100% airtight. Now, push the tube end all the way into the connector and press the LOKRING onto the connector using the hand assembly tool. The same simple procedure is used to connect the other side. Hoses are repaired using our LOKCLIP connection. Insert the stainless steel clips in the position holder. This ensures that the stainless steel clips are in the right place. Push the hose into the position holder. Apply a little refrigerant oil to the LOKCLIP joint and push the joint into the hose as far as it'll go. Now, press the stainless steel clips using either axle boot clamping tongs or the LOKRING tool with a suitable pair of jaws for LOKCLIP assembly. When pressing, start with the clip positioned at the hose side. The connection to the tube is then made using our LOKRING connection. No matter which connection you need, LOKRING and LOKCLIP have the right solution for almost any assembly situation. VULKAN LOKRING even produces complete air conditioning lines using the LOKRING and LOKCLIP system for manufacturers of small series. These air conditioning systems are subject to the same intensive tests as the air conditioning systems of large vehicle manufacturers. LOKRING and LOKCLIP has been proven absolutely airtight and pressure resistant. For over 30 years, LOKRING tube connections have been successfully applied in the refrigeration and air conditioning industry. More than 1 billion LOKRINGs have been fitted. That makes VULKAN LOKRING the world market leader in solder-free tube connections for refrigeration and air conditioning technology. 5 production sites and more than 30 subsidiary companies and sales representatives ensure intelligent solutions, top quality, and excellent service. Thousands of garages and workshops already put their trust in the reliable LOKRING and LOKCLIP technology. Make your repairs easier, faster, and more cost-effective. Repair the leak with LOKRING and LOKCLIP.